Nurse, I'm not going to be coy with you. The surgery was long and difficult and hard. I did what many couldn't even comprehend, and stuff. And the glue gun ran out right in the middle. Oh, it was tragic. So tragic. Oh, doctor! But in the end, it was all up to him. Now there's only one thing we can do. Nom, 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 nom. The operation was a complete success. The patient is totally recovering. Congratulations, doctor. You're truly a genius. Why, yes, I am, Stacy. Thank you. The patient is 100% totally cured. And he's looking mighty handsome, if I do say so myself. Who are you, and why do you look like... my yoga! Except for that seam in the back, but who cares? And that's not all. Now with our special ultimate limited non-time refundable offer, we also have more red fabric for more Deadpool. So if you want your very own Deadpool plush, you just contact Boss Mary on this YouTube video. You got set, people, because we need the money, because we need to go to Oilcon. Ain't that right, Deadpool 2 Electric Boogaloo? I got Chimichanga, and I'm never gonna leave you again. Okay, we'll leave those two alone for a minute. Hey, nurse, what are you doing later? You do know I'm like 10. That doesn't stop the teacher in the anime.